quickly go over irregular Portuguese past participles in this lesson. Most irregular past participles don't really follow any specific pattern. You'll just have to memorize them on your own. A large number of verbs have separate forms for their past participle and their adjective. For those verbs that have two past participles, the regular past participle is used when the auxiliary verb is ter or haver, when forming compound verbs in perfect tenses. The irregular past participle is used if the auxiliary verb is ser, estar, or ficar. And the irregular past participles are used as adjectives to describe nouns. And that's it, a very brief summary of irregular Portuguese past participles. I again apologize for any mispronunciations I may have, as I am not a Portuguese speaker. As I always say, if you could please do me a favor and share this video series with your friends and teachers, I would very much appreciate that. And that is all for now, so until next time.